In this demonstration, you'll see me enable and configure deduplication on a Windows Server 2019 file server. So we start in the Server Manager console. I click Manage, Add Roles and Features. On the installation type, go role-based. And then I select the remote server, SEA SVR3. I click Next. Under File and Storage Services, I expand File and iSCSI services, and I select Data Deduplication. I click Next. I don't need any extra features. I click Install, and the Server Manager console goes and remotely installs that feature on that file server. So I then select File and Storage Services, select Disks, and then select SEA SVR3 and the disk I wish to enable deduplication on. So that's volume M. I right-click on it and select Enable Deduplication. I choose the General Purpose File Server type of deduplication. I say Deduplicate files older than 5 days, and I click OK. It then goes and configures deduplication on that volume on that file server. I open up Windows Admin Center and I scroll down to PowerShell. I use this to establish a remote PowerShell session to SEA SVR3. I put in my password and I'm now connected to that server. I change to the M drive, which is the one I enabled deduplication on. I run the get dedup status command and I see that no saved space is currently been freed up. I then run the get dedup volume command and I similarly see that no space has been saved. This is because the job has not been triggered yet. So I trigger the deduplication job manually and say run it as an optimization job. I then do a get dedup job and I see that that job is running and it's at 11%. I run it again and I see it's at 14%. I clear the screen. I wait a little while. I run get dedup job again and I see we're at 88%. I clear the screen. I wait a while. The dedup job is finished. So now I view the dedup status and I see that it has saved 63.95 gig of data. And if I do this at the volume level, I see again that the savings rate is at 97%. That's obviously fairly optimized because the types of files that I was deduplicating were virtually identical. Anyway, in this demonstration, you saw me install and configure deduplication on a Windows Server 2019 file server, and then run a deduplication job to optimize space on one of the volumes on that file server.